How to allow Snapchat notifications on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat application on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on Bitmoji icon at top left corner of your screen. Now choose gear icon at top right to access settings. Scroll down, look for the options of notifications and tap on it. And make sure that you mark or check mark every notification settings on the space, including sound as well. Once done, come back from this page. Now long press on Snapchat and tap on I icon to access app info page. Tap manage notification and make sure that you toggle the button on for allow notifications as well as ringtone and vibrate. And that's how you turn on or allow Snapchat notifications on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.